Hey all! In this first episode of our movement series, we will teach you how to create the following movement by demonstrating this via a simple raining cats and dogs project. So let's get started. First, I'll choose a sprite from Scratch library of sprites. I'll choose a dog here, and I'll also look for a cat. The cat is in a horizontal position, so I'll switch the direction to 0. And I'll quickly change the color of the cat. This is not compulsory, but I'll just like to have a little bit of contrast, so I'll change it to pink. Once that's done, we can start coding the movement for dog. We start by putting in the go to and the glide movements block. I then like to drag my sprites up to take a look at my Y position to get an estimate. So in this case, I will put in the value of 200. I would similarly drag it down to estimate the lower Y position value. After I change the numbers, I would test out the code and see that it works. Now I need to set a variable to allow my sprite to move along the horizontal plane. To do this, I will need to select a random function to allow my sprite to move randomly between certain x position numbers. In this case, I have selected -230 to 230. This is not done yet as I'll need to tell the code to move to the x positions that I've defined earlier. This is a simple drag and drop exercise once I have my x defined. Once you click play, you should see that the sprites are dropping from random position. This means that it's working. But I noticed that there is a little blob sticking up from the sprite, so I would like to use the show and hide block of codes to eliminate this. Now if I click play again, you realize that that is gone. Now I'm gonna make the dog rain from the sky by creating clones of itself. I will do this by telling it to create clones of itself after I press the start button, and to do this forever via a forever loop. Click play now, I will see that the dogs are raining quite heavily and I would like to slow it down. I can do this by putting a wait function. Let me try 0.8 so that it's not too slow. I'm pretty happy with this pace for now, so I will clone these codes for the cat by dragging it to the cat sprite. After clicking the start button, I realize the original cat is still showing, so I will click the hide button. Notice how the cats and dogs are raining at the same pace? We can fix this by lowering the wait time for cats. Now it's perfect. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please click like and subscribe. See you next time.